Advantech have been around 40 odd years globally, around about dead on 40 years in Europe. So we see ourselves as the market leader in embedded compute technology, cover a lot of markets, a lot of products. Our portfolio is quite expansive. It spans a lot of products from board only to box PCs to custom solutions, including peripherals and wireless connectivity. So I think with that sort of portfolio, we cover quite a lot of the hardware requirements from an industrial perspective. The average customer looks like, depending on the market of course, but they'll take board or box PCs along with software, memory, storage, so a complete system in some cases. And in certain cases, which we always strive to do, we could do a complete custom product for our markets and our customers as well. We can fix many problems quickly. I think from a capacity point of view, the scale that Advantech has is quite large. We can expand. We have plans to expand our factory capabilities. So definitely have a lot of volume to build boards or systems. And we have very talented people that can help with finding the right technical solutions, whether that be standard or whether that be custom as well. What we're going to do in 25 and 26, what we're going to focus on is more likely to be a bit more edge AI, artificial intelligence. On the stand today, we have a couple of products which is showcasing AI capability. One with our partner Qualcomm, we're putting a range of products with Qualcomm chipsets coming out, which are geared up towards the sort of automation and robotic market. So they're pretty good GPU performance, pretty good AI performance, 12 tops, but it's low power, so it can be mobile applications as well. So we're excited to bring out that range of Qualcomm products. The beauty of that product range is it can run on Win 11 and it can also run on Ubuntu from a Linux point of view. So we have both options covered. And we work from a Ubuntu point of view with our partner Canonical on that to give critical safety updates over the next 10 years or so. And the other type of stuff is we're highlighting our Gen AI Studio, which is our AI SDK, which is a software development kit. And that enables customers to integrate AI technology and learning models, customize them for their own application, and deploy them to the edge on their devices quickly, because we save them a bit of the work for their software engineers, so they concentrate on their own application rather than the grunt work at the bottom end. Yeah, so for 2026, we'll continue our performance in the gaming and medical markets. They're two strongest markets for us, along with entertainment and retail. But we really want to focus on emerging markets, and we'll be looking at the green energy, smart transportation, and robotics and automation as markets that we can really grow in, and which probably suit the AI products that we have and we're showing on the stand today.